Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to check technical SEO issues using PageSpeed Insights tool. We know that we can check core web vital issues using this tool like LCP, INP, CLS, FCP, TTFB, but we can also check technical SEO issues. Many people don't know this. Let's see how we can check. So you have to jump on these sections. Here you can find some technical SEO related issues. So you can even scroll down and see what things, like we are using iframe, which is not SEO friendly practice. Heading hierarchy is not good. I mean, you have to use h1, then h2, then h3. So you are jumping on h4 without using h2, h3. So that's why it's showing an error. So you have to fix it. And now you can see best practices. It is fine. And SEO, it's 77 score. That means few major issues this tool find out. So we can see link do not have descriptive text. That means we are using some general words, more information, click here kind of text. So we should use here proper text like cookie consent, cookie policies, click here for cookies policies, like this. I mean, you have to give some context of the link in the text. Link are not crawlable. Proper, and we can say ahref tag we are not using, so you have to fix it. So you can see there is a robot.txt error as well. So what is the problem? We are not using slash, so always start with slash if you want to disallow any page. So this is also wrong. So that kind of SEO issues, major issues, you can check on page level. So we are checking for a single page here. Similarly, you can check for desktop, and I think for desktop similar issues you will find. So this is how you can find some technical SEO issues using this tool. So it's not only helpful for core web vital but also helpful for technical SEO issues. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box.